Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
A Zonai battery supplies portable power for Zonai devices and vehicles. Treat each battery as a removable power source with clear polarity. Inspect the battery icon to confirm remaining charge before use. Keep batteries dry and avoid dropping them onto hard surfaces. Carry spare batteries when building vehicles or remote devices in the field. Replace depleted batteries quickly to prevent device shutdowns. Store unused batteries in a cool, dry place to preserve charge for later missions. Inspect the Zonai device to find the battery socket and connector orientation. Attach the battery to a device socket until the connector snaps into place. Confirm the connection by checking the device indicator light or battery icon. Turn devices on after attachment to begin immediate power flow and test functionality. Use one battery for small setups and chain multiple batteries for higher output or longer runtime. Disconnect batteries safely before moving devices to prevent accidental power loss. Recharge batteries at a Zonai charging station or swap with a fully charged unit when available. Rotate your battery inventory to avoid leaving any unit fully discharged for long periods. Carry at least one spare battery for each major build or long expedition. Keep batteries dry and protect them from collisions to prolong lifespan and prevent power loss. Inspect connectors for dirt and clean gently to ensure solid electrical contact and reliable performance in the field.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.